Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert formula for an entire column in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting a formula in Google Sheets is a straightforward process because it would give you numerous advantages, making it a powerful feature for data manipulation, analysis, and automation. Because using formulas automates repetitive calculation, saving you time and reducing the likelihood of manual errors. I find it beneficial when dealing with large data sets or ongoing data updates because formulas ensure consistency in applying the same calculation logic uniformly across all relevant data points in a column. This consistency enhances the reliability and accuracy of your analysis. Now, once you are here, maybe put in something like, I don't know, any values that you wanted. Now, if you wanted to get the say for example 6.9 tax or 6.9 tax of the following here, maybe let's put in like maybe 6.9. All right, all I'm gonna do is put in this formula. Okay, of course, put in equals, and then that's gonna be like 6.9 tax, and then the asterisk for multiply, and the certain column, which is going to be the B4 or B5. All right, and press enter. Okay, so you see, if you wanted to insert the formula in an entire column, let me just get all these information right here. Okay, all I'm gonna do is you can control C to copy, and then control V to the rest of here. You see? Or if that doesn't work, there you go, right? Now the next option is you might want to control C this specific, and then press in control shift and then hover down to the bottom, and then release it by pressing control V. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.